you can see it in the way I dress. And you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you can see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb. I'm from Oakland.
Are you cutting it right now? Well, you about to have a R&B group, Jagged Edge on that motherfucker. Yeah, we could. Yeah, I could shape it later. It's all good. Yeah, just clearance it just enough so you can get that rear set group on. You know what though? I can check my other R1 I got in the backyard and see if I have those on the spare harness. If I do, then you might be in luck. Because I got to go to Concord to check this transmission. Check out these transmissions. So you could probably meet me there. Let me see. So see how, yeah. So see how that spacer's there where your thumb was? You can move that in front of it. And when you take that spacer off, that'll go right there on the hub. So you'll essentially move that piece in front of that. Yep. So if you take that, if you take that spacer off in the back, you'll be able to move that forward. I'm gonna be mad as shit if all of this just came from that dead ass battery. Kind of makes sense, but then again it doesn't. Take that out. Yes sir. Yep. And I think there's I saw last night when I was putting the box back together, there was a really short little bitty ass screw, and that might be what that's for, because when you take that out it's gonna be hella long. So there was one little short ass screw, and I was looking, I was like, where the hell could this go? And that might be for that. All right, I'm gonna let that charge. So when I get back, put this shit together and see what the hell happens. Alright y'all, welcome to the vlog. As you can see, I'm working on that damn Kawasucki and trying to help somebody get their R1 together via FaceTime. So I'm just all over the place. I'm about to just head to Concord. JTP called me last night, and usually he don't catch me sleeping, but he randomly caught me sleeping. My phone rang and I saw it was him. I'm like, oh shit. I was trying to get my tired voice off. That boy, he just knew he caught me sleeping. You sleep? I'm like, no, I'm just chilling. I was asleep like he found 2 turbo 2 RX-7 transmissions. Now, it's funny that he's back in the RX-7 game. He was such a Mustang man for so long, and to see him back in the RX-7s is pretty cool. He's like, yo, so I found these 2 transmissions, so, you know, I for sure didn't realize that these were becoming so scarce. And he's like, so, I mean, if you could check them out for me because they close to you, they look good. You get one, I get one, so we could have some spares. Like, all right, whatever. So let me head over there, check him out. Look at this big ass phone, Galaxy S20 Ultimate. Look at this iPhone XS versus that. That's mad big, dog. But it does like 100 times zoom. I could zoom into orbital cavities, dog. It's becoming increasingly tougher, but you know, when you find them, you just jump on them when you can.
seems pretty solid. We got all our teeth. And the shift forks look alright.
Glad you opened it up. I would have been fucking too nervous.
You never mess around and open them?
Dude, I've never done transmissions.
I unfortunately
I
have smashed quite a few, so I just opened them up to see what I broke.
Yeah.
And then
What usually breaks?
So, oh, do I still have that picture on my phone? I might. I'll check and see. So you'll grind the gears will go smooth. They'll break off, and if you keep driving them, they'll go flat and smooth.
Okay.
If you've ever shift too hard and jammed it, and then your shifter goes loose and it doesn't go in gear, these forks right here that slide the collars back and forth into gear, those will break, and you're not able to shift, or those rings go bad, and it's a lot of different things. If it won't shift, you broke a fork, or if it shifts bad, or it doesn't hold in gear and pops out, synchros and things like that.
So made it here, bought the transmissions, and now I'm about to load them up. They're gonna stink terribly, because anybody that smell gear oil after being in a transmission for a couple thousand miles, worst thing you can smell, man. I mean, the worst. So thanks, Justin, but I got you. Put one on either side.
Let me get a look for that one.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Awesome.
Break something for you.
Yeah, cool. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. So I guess I could try to put this thing back together, fire it up, and do a few tests to see what the hell's going on with it. Showing 13 volts, as it should be. So, because when you put the tank on, the lower tank mount goes across the battery and you can never access the power, I'm gonna put, you know, a lead off of there so that I can always test or charge the battery without pulling the tank up to get the lead on. Yeah, cool. Appreciate you. Thank you. All right, cool. So let me put this lead on real quickly, and then I'll slap the tank on.
There's only one way to get it. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? We had just started out. I thought we could do a little meet and greet. He counted you in Miami. Yeah, okay. We just started. We are in and out. You know, I'm gonna have some narrative behind my shit because people who took the meeting get here, you know. So this neck more than me. Shout out to Mike. Look, y'all know my story from the mud to the marble, from the basement to the penthouse.
All right, let's see if it starts.
Three gentlemen in the game. You know this, what's up? Who the fuck you think you fucking
That's crazy. Bike working fine.
Y'all ready? Somebody give me a hit record, ready?
So we got the voltage issue solved, but it still doesn't have no power, and that's originally what it came to me with a power issue. We changed plugs and it revs higher now. It used to only rev to about 7-8 grand. Now we're getting 2 grand RPM. Ain't to be excited over, so I still got some work to do, but that issue is solved. I was thinking rectifiers and stators and all the other dangerously annoying things that would need to be changed on this, but I don't have to touch it because it was showing voltage increase. So we're good with that. So now we're just gonna have to go with coil packs. Shit, it's too late right now. Tomorrow I'll ride over to Cali tomorrow. That's gonna be it for this vlog. I'm a little too busy running around doing all kind of shit. So I gotta bring these transmissions back in. Okay, they're a lot cleaner than they were, but they ain't quite clean yet. But yeah, it's a damn shame that this kind of equipment is so hard to come by, that the shit is just shooting in increase. I think I've given away transmissions before, and I know I for sure sold one for $100 before. I know I should keep one, and that was the original plan, but I kind of had my eyes on the CD conversion. It's coming along, and I told him he could sell this, so the guy just hit me with the money. So now these are both going to LA, and I hope I don't regret this, because these are tough to come by. So I just hope I don't regret this. But if all else fails, I will take the transmission out of the vert, put it in here, and then make that a CD09. So that's my exit strategy. If I give up, ain't no if, because I already did. Dude paid for them. So me giving up this transmission, and they're right here, and I've opened them and inspected them, and I know they're good, and I'm second guessing myself now, but they headed to LA. So on that bombshell, we're gonna get you 2, and I'm gonna check y'all with another experience.